Now, I mean, like, why is it a misconception that thinking that, like, this is like, uh, like it's a battle pass? This is not a battle pass. This is literally just another event. I'll show you another one. So this is an event right here. This is the summer event that gives you the avatar, like the swimsuit avatar and everything right here, right? So we go down, and as you can see right here, if you buy just the avatar, it's already like about like 35 bucks. If you buy the full set with like let's say the wallpaper and everything, and then you get like about like 60 bucks right there. So that's like pet, mount, avatar that you can choose, and then like the wallpaper as well. You do know that you get the same thing right in the Arc Pass, except it's cheaper. But this just gives you this. It just gives you the avatar. Page right here. This one right here. So yeah, well, we'll talk about the Arc Pass for a bit right now, right? So basically, this is the Arc Pass right here. Like I don't know, cause like this misconception is like going left and right because like everyone keeps calling it Battle Pass. It's not actually a Battle Pass, by the way. Like let me explain how it is, right? So this is the Arc Pass event with the avatar and everything. You know exactly two reasons why you would buy it, right? It's right there. But yeah, so right now there is two different tier, right? Basically the premium and super premium. That's like what people have issue with it, right? Like super premium right here. Premium is like, so this is like about like 15 to 20 bucks. Mad ugly, like your mother was it? Or like this is like about like 45 bucks. So that's like the price of this, right? So yeah, and people complain that like oh, why is there two? Why can't it just be only one? So I'll explain why it's like that. So the way this Arc Pass work is basically it's literally just an event, but then it's like presented as like a battle pass. It's like two events in one. Usually there's an event in Korea that goes. Usually there's like 4 or 5, sometimes even 11 to 12 events going on in Korea, right? Some of them give you materials by playing the game, by like let's say doing Chaos Dungeon, doing your Una, logging in for 60 minutes. Sometimes there is a event that lets you buy avatars. So yeah, 49,000. Okay, yeah, I have to preface that, I guess. That's in won. That's in won, not in dollars. So it's different right there, okay? So yeah, and then like the reward basically like you can buy some stuff right here. 80% of the reward, 80% of the juice. So ignore like how this looks here because this is wrong right here. 80% of the juice right here is actually on the free. You actually get like 80% of like the juice already to begin with. And then if you pay 20 bucks, you get a little bit more juice, like the last like 15 to like 18%, and then you get like an extra pet, like buying a pet basically. If you pay like this like the 45 bucks, then you get the avatar and the the wallpaper and everything, right? So you can see it like what it actually does right here. So this is the wallpaper right here and the avatars and everything. So this is like what you get when you get like everything when you do it. If you're a free to play, you get the basically the 80% and 80% of the juice right there. If that's not enough for you, then you're just one of the complaining Andy that like it's not enough. Now I mean like why is it a misconception that thinking that like this is like uh like it's a battle pass? This is not a battle pass. This is literally just another event. I'll show you another one. So this is an event right here. This is the summer event that gives you the avatar, like the swimsuit avatar and everything right here, right? So we go down, and as you can see right here, if you buy just the avatar, it's already like about like 35 bucks. If you buy the full set with like let's say the wallpaper and everything, and then you get like about like 60 bucks right there. So that's like pet, mount, avatar that you can choose, and then like the wallpaper as well. You do know that you get the same thing right in the Arc Pass, except it's cheaper. But this just gives you this. It just gives you the avatar. So yeah, just gives you the avatar right here. You guys have seen this avatar, of course, but yeah, you guys have seen this already. But the point is basically right, like this Arc Pass is literally the same event. It's literally the same event, except you get free juice for free. So if you're complaining about like this Arc Pass thing, right? You see the 20 bucks right here, right? But you see there is like 20 bucks here as well, like well 35, right? It's exactly the same thing. So you're complaining that there is no free juice then. So why didn't you complain when Omen set comes out? It's gonna be the same, except there is free juice over there. This is not Battle Pass, man. It's just an event that is like presented that looks like a Battle Pass. And then people start calling it Battle Pass. So yeah, you guys didn't complain when Omen comes out, right? So why are you complaining about this one? This one is probably gonna be cheaper. Because naming super premium, or because super premium is what triggers them, isn't it? Super premium is what triggers them. Ignore the fact that Omen skin, you buy it with like the, you know, the wallpaper and everything right there. Ignore that one right there. No, super premium, I'm triggered now, dude. I'm triggered now. This is a good deal. This is really good deal. Yeah, if you're gonna spend money, this is where you spend it. Because you get you get a really good deal over here. Why are people complaining? Well, to be fair, when they watch like video here and there, right? When they watch video, they didn't specify. Usually the one that made the video didn't even know how this works, and they just say it's a battle pass right there. This one isn't even like, you know, battle pass implies that you buy it again and again and again and again, right? This is not even there. Like, so far in Korea, we only ever got 2, and they're not back to back. They're like half a year apart. We got 2 last year. So yeah, I'm excited for Arc Pass like 3 to come back. Basically, it's literally just like another like outfit event, except you get free juice. Why are you complaining then? Paying money gets more things than me. Well, I mean, like, they pay for like Omen, they get more avatar. Why didn't you complain about that? But yeah, it's a common misconception on this like Arc Pass right here. So yeah, because like they call it like Battle Pass for some reason. Same as buying Plat Founder for 100 that gave like 140 value. They didn't complain about that, I guess, right? But they complained about super premium. So yeah. Are the poors? I don't think it's the poors after hours. Usually people that complain are people that have no clue how this actually works. Because they watch a video about someone that doesn't know how it actually works as well. Because like if you play in Korea, you would know that this is literally just another event. I don't like calling it Battle Pass. Because it's literally just another event. It's 2 events in one. In Korea, you get like a lot of events that gives you materials. That's where you get this. That's where you get all of the materials here. And then like this is the avatar one. Simple as that. So yeah. It's only expediting our pace. Well, it makes you upgrade faster. But, you know, at the same time, they said, you know, some people say they're gonna rework it or something. Maybe they will rework it. But the point is, you shouldn't be complaining about this. If you complain about this, then you should be complaining about Omen as well. Because it's literally the same. Except you get free juice. But I guess people don't like it, right? People don't like free juice. Because like, you know, if you don't get like enough free juice, it's punishing. Game punishing me again. No battle pass. But yeah, it's just another event, man. So I don't get like I don't get why this. But to be fair, I get why like people don't know, because like no one explains like how it actually works and how events in general works in Korea, because it's literally the same thing. Ama didn't give more match than the other events going on. Yeah, I'm just saying that Arc Pass is 2 events in one go, math. Because usually when in Korea we get events that give materials, and then we get events that give us only avatar. So it's literally the same thing. The match is free, it's free juice, right? In like the event in Korea. But like the avatar, you can buy it. Well, it's the same thing then. We get like free juice, and then you can buy it for the avatar and also the background. If anything, it's cheaper to buy this one. So yeah, that's what it is right there. What's that green currency? 250k? That's mileage points. That's a Korean thing right there. It's not in NAU. But yeah, you know, that's avatar as in skins. Yes, that's skins. Yeah, avatar is skins basically. So yeah, we call it avatar in Korea. But yeah, that's basically what Arc Pass is right there. You know, it's just a common misconception, and thinking that like it's a battle pass is not actually correct. It's just an event presented as a battle pass. Simple as that, to be honest. So yeah, and to be honest, for me, I mean like I'll take it, man. It's a free event, free juice, right? Why would you complain about it? But people didn't know. So yeah. Well, that's Arc Pass for you, boys. That's Arc Pass right there. Arc Pass misconception. Right.